Hey guys, NV here, and in this video, we're gonna yet modify version 3, and we're gonna make them version 4, okay? I've already have the project file loaded here. This is version 3. I'm gonna tap the U key on the keyboard, bring our shape tool, and I'm gonna delete the one we have here, okay? Just delete it. And I'm gonna bring this one back. And what I wanna do though is duplicate this document, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put version 4 just like so. And I'm going to delete the close this one out so we can work on this. What I want to do right off the bat, I think, is select our circle tool here, shape, bring my guides, control and semicolon, and I'm just going to hold the shift key, click, and then hold the alt key, keeping it proportionate here. And I'm just going to scale it up to about, say, here, somewhere around there. Leave that default. And what I want to do is hold Control and C, tap the C key, and then Control and V to paste it. I'm going to pass operations, subtract front shape. We will be doing that a lot. We have been doing these a lot, playing with these settings here, these options, because that way you can get familiar with the shape settings and how the operations and stuff like that work. And I'm going to scale this down to about, say, 85. Okay. And I'm going to confirm that. And I'm going to also, I think I'm going to scale both of these up. So let me uncheck that and just select that center piece. And I'm going to zoom in, and I'm just going to also hold shift key because we have the center one here, the cutout piece. Select it, hold control and shift, and select this top one as well. It is hard to see because I have a lot going on here, but we're going to clean that up in a minute. And I'm going to hold control and tap the T key. I'm going to scale this up. Let's say about 110. Okay. And confirm that. And now what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and select these little shapes that we did the other day. Or earlier. I'm going to select those and delete them. I'm also going to select these little bars here, these little, these little pieces there. And I'm going to delete those as well. Okay. Now this right here, this round star type of shape, we're going to select that. Come up to pass operation and combine shape. Okay, it's going to be solid, but it's still cut through. Control T, and I'm going to scale that up a little bit, say about there. 103. See how that looks. Yeah, like that. Okay. And now what I want to do is select this star in the center, just throw in star type of thing. Select both of those. Okay. And I'm going to scale that up as well. Actually, I'm going to come up to pass operation combine shape. Okay. I'm going to say bring to front. I can't because you have multiple ones selected apparently. Deselect that and select just that one on the outside here. And pass arrangement, bring to front. Okay. Now I'm going to select this one. I'm probably going to delete it, but who knows. And I'm going to go to pass operation, subtract front shape, and bring to front, just like so. And select both of those, Control T, and I'm going to scale those up like so. And I want the points to kind of come through there. About like that, somewhere around there. And let's see how that looks. That's pretty cool looking, but I want to delete this center one right here. Right there. Delete just that. So select it and tap the delete key on your keyboard. And that looks pretty cool. But let's see. What I'm going to do though, I want to hide this version, but I want to let you know if you like what I've created, if you're able to, if you like what you have, just duplicate it. Okay. Just duplicate it. And that way you don't lose it. And you can always use that and save that as another version or something like that. But what I want to do is select this inner circle, the one we cut through, Control C, and delete it completely, and then Control V, and that cuts through it. We could also came up to pass arrangement and brought to front. Okay, and I'll show you that method too. So select that inner circle, path arrangement, bring to front. I just always seem to copy and paste a lot in doing things like this. But that's the design I like, and I want to go with that one because I like the cool spikes and these little little things here. And I might scale that down. Let's bring it down a little bit. I just want to see how that would look. Just a little. Kind of see how that looks. I actually like it a little better. Yeah, I like that a little better actually. So I'm going to save that. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and say, but before we do that, I'm going to copy that layer and I'm going to pass operations, merge shape components. Now, again, if I hide the background, this is a big hole in the center. Okay. I just want to let you know that. You can fill that in. Let me delete that real quick. And you can fill this in just by selecting that inner circle, Control C, and then Control V. Come up to pass operation, combine shape, and Control T. And we'll just kind of bring that in a little bit. Just kind of create a centerpiece that you could put something in. But yeah, that's how you could fill that in if you wanted to, and if you don't want it, see through completely. Just an option. We're gonna go ahead and save that one as well. And let's go back here. I am gonna go ahead but you can see how these can get out of hand too, by the way. So what we can do is just organize these out as well. Oops. But we can organize these out. I'm just going to put that in the folder and call it 1. Okay, just for the heck of it. Easier to look at rather than not, and just seeing them all together like that. Okay. And then this one here as well. Let's see. Yeah. And this will be just 3. It's just easier that way. But anyway, yeah. I'm going to go back to this one though. And I'm going to duplicate that. Shape, merge shape components. And again, you can save it as a custom shape. Okay. And let's go ahead and save our project. Just like so. And there we go. So I thought it'd be a nice little alternative version as well doing this. And I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up here. And until next time, I will see you in another video.